Folks, check these out. These are the wireless portable charging stations. It's the 703S by SwanScout, and they're absolutely incredible. Muncie. Honestly, these are absolutely top quality. I'm going to show you. Firstly, they come with a wee clock on it that you can brighten up, so you can just use it like that. But this is the wireless part of the device, the charging station, that actually supports phones that support wireless charging. But if you actually open the device itself, there's two other areas on it, which is absolutely incredible. One supports smartwatches. So if you have a smartwatch that supports wireless charging, this will charge it. And also the other one supports earbuds. So again, if you have earbuds that supports wireless charging, this charging station will charge it. It's absolutely incredible. I'm going to show you charging my phone. As you can see, that's the 703S by SwanScout there. And we'll see how amazingly and quickly it charges. Look at that. Just straight on there and it charges. And if you're like me, you have a load of devices that supports wireless charging. This is absolutely incredible. I can't recommend it enough. It's absolutely amazing.